Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Review 5,000, I'm getting ahead of myself. 3,091, I believe this is. Crazy. Anyways, yeah, doing 3 reviews a day. It's pretty cool. It's working out really well. Got this. The next to last of the Way Premium Foods varieties. This is authentic chili crab noodles. These are from Malaysia. And if they're anything like the scallop noodles I had from them, these are going to be the bomb. So, this time I'm going to have to watch the clock really close. First, let's put the noodles in the pot. First thing you're gonna need is a pot. It was funny because I said those exact words on one of my first videos, and it sounded like I said, okay, so to cook this, the first thing you're gonna need is pot. I mean, it was just like, no. But it's like, at the time, I was like, yeah, I can't really edit that out. However, I totally could now. I've got a little pocket recorder. Oh, I should go get that and play some beautiful sound. Yeah, hold on a sec. Let me go get that. So, I tell you what, for doing my top 10 videos, I've been using a... No, it's not going to boil over. I'm not going to let it. I've been using this little pocket recorder, and it works really well. And I have a little lapel mic. So I put the pocket recorder in my back pocket, and then I run the mic cable over my shoulder onto the lapel. And then I put it on, you can put it on hold so when it's in your pocket you can't push any buttons. But anyways, there's this sound. Let me turn this down. So, years back, well, still, there's 3 radio stations: WWV, WWVB, and WWV, WWVB, and WWVH. H is in Hawaii, B is in Boulder, and just WWV, I believe, is in Maryland. I can't, or Massachusetts, or whatever. These broadcast time signals all day, all night, plus a little bit of pertinent information like possibly Atlantic and Pacific weather patterns, things like that. But it's called Coordinated Universal Time. And it's the coolest thing. When I was a kid, I'd sit out on the back deck. I'd sleep out on the deck sometimes. It was like camping out. Do that in the summer, and I'd have my dad's shortwave radio, and I'd be fiddling with it, and I would always pick up one of the stations, and it'd be like, at the time, at the tone, the time will be 6 hours, 23 minutes. Coordinated Universal Time. Beep. But it's gonna go away, and it's sad, so I'm gonna like try to play this back and see if this works. Wait, what? I don't think that's it. Yeah, you can call it. There you go. And there's me vaping.
At the tone, 6 hours, 8 minutes, Coordinated Universal Time.
and then it just does that. Always. All the time. It's been doing that for like decades. It doesn't really like stop. But what I keep forgetting is that I need to do yeah. Let's turn the music back up. Okay. So, actually, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put the sachet in here, put that here, and drain it right into this. There. And it needs a minute soaking in hot water. So let's give it a minute. But yeah, when I was a kid, I lived up in an area called Anacortes, and a little city, like northwest Washington state, like one of the most northern western parts, you know. A lot of weird sounds in Anacortes. Like, we lived about 50 yards from the water, or 50 yards from a cliff that was on the water. And it was next to what's called Guimas Channel. So it was basically like, here's an island, here's the island we were on, and boats would come through all hours of the night. Tugboats, there was a refinery, so like big tankers would get pulled through, stuff like that. And you'd have one boat you could hear going, you'd get the tone from that, and then there'd be another boat going, and it would just, you would get like this sound, like this waveform in your head when I'm like laying in bed at night, just like, I have no idea what that did to me over the years, but it must have done something. I like to think, at least. Okay, so the sachet should be good. It's definitely, yeah, that's definitely hot. Let's dump this out. Dump the noodles in. Add the add this in there. Oh, that's funny. When I'm burning my fingers, it like skips to the spicy noodle mukbang music. That's fitting. Alright, and now the chili crab liquid is in there. And have a look as I stir it. It's a good portion of sauce. It looks like chili crab sauce too. That's a plus. I like that. And this is thick. Alright, I don't know why it turned off. I wonder if this thing's getting overheated. I think I should probably get it off of being over the food for the moment. So, we'll go this route here. How about that? Alright, let's give this a taste. It's pretty well combined. Cheers. Okay. Yeah. That tastes like the flavor, I know. It's said only to garnish, basically, I think, with coriander, but I gotta do a little something more to it. So So I'm doing some mung bean sprouts. Got a ton of coriander for it. Okay, here we go. Come on, let go. I forgot what I was gonna say, but here's a bunch of coriander for this thing. I don't usually use this much coriander in anything, but it just said to garnish with coriander leaves, so there's a bunch of those. Oh yeah, I have, where'd it go? Uh-oh. There it is. I've got crab stick. And I figure if it's chili crab, should at least have some crab stick on it. But I gotta unwrap it. If you don't know about crab stick, it's basically imitation crab, but some of it is really decent and it's tasty, so you should go ahead and check that out at your local Asian grocer. In the daylight. Man, come on. Open. I'm having crab stick difficulties. Sometimes the little plastic cellophane that they're in just does not want to work. And today I thought I would just like garnish it straight. So like one there. I tell you. One there. Good, the camera's still going. I'm happy. It must have been getting hot. Because it's definitely got enough space left on it. Dude. There you go. I'm gonna put one right here. Come on, work with me. Let go. So there you go. It's pretty good. I like that. Yeah. Well, cool. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please click like, and if you would, please subscribe. It takes only 1 second. Alright, just do it, because my camera keeps overheating. Alright. Have a good one. Enjoy your pancreas and your spleen and everything in between. Have a good one, and bye.